Hello boys and girls, Mrs. Hard's here. Hope you're all okay. While the school's closed, I thought I would say hello and practice a few sounds with you. Hopefully you will all be joining in. Also, Fred's here to say hi, boys and girls. Right, are we ready? Can you remember what this sound is? Did you remember? Let's do it again. Ready? With me. Ah. D. I. Mm. Mm. Oh. Pa. S. T. Ah. Well done. Say, high five Fred. Okay, now let's try and make some words. Join in with Fred to do some Fred talk. Looking carefully. Let's do that together and with Fred. Ah. Your turn. Ah. Map. Well done. Let's try this. S. Ah. T. Join in. Sat. Did you work it out? Well done. Let's do another one. What's that letter? And then I. And then let's Fred talk with Fred. I. Pin. Your turn. Pin. Well done. Let's do one more. Join in with me. D. Join in with Fred. S. Ah. D. Sad. Well done. I hope you're not sad, and we hope to see you very soon. Keep practicing. Bye for now.